Hey guys, if you're having trouble getting Facebook to work on your Google Chrome browser, maybe it's not loading properly or it's just not working at all, then keep watching. In this video, I'm going to give you a few quick and easy solutions to fix the problem. First, go ahead and open up the Google Chrome browser. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right-hand corner. From there, scroll down to Extensions and then click on Manage Extensions, disabling all of the extensions that are currently enabled in your browser. You can do that by toggling the blue switch off for each extension. Once you've done that, try opening Facebook again and see if the issue is fixed. If that doesn't work, click on the three vertical dots again and then click on Settings. From the left-hand side, scroll down and select Reset Settings. Then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults and confirm by clicking Reset Settings. After that, check Facebook again to see if it's working. If you're still having trouble, click on the three vertical dots, go into Settings, and then click on Privacy and Security from the left-hand side. Select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure the time range is set to all time, check the boxes, and then click Clear Data. Once that's done, restart your browser and try loading Facebook again. Another thing you should check is whether your Chrome browser is up to date. Click on the three vertical dots, open Settings, and then scroll down to About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If there's an update available, install it and restart the browser. Click on Privacy and Security, then click on Security. Scroll down until you see the option to choose a DNS provider. Change it to Google Public DNS. This will connect your browser to Google's public DNS servers and may resolve the loading issue. Finally, you can also try opening a new incognito window by clicking the three dots and selecting New Incognito Window. Then try visiting Facebook from there. If it works in incognito mode, the issue is likely caused by extensions or cached data. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.